What's up, beautiful souls? I am back with another gem on gem. If you're looking to master the art of communication and influence people like a boss, you're in for a treat today. We're breaking down Chris Voss's tactical empathy, specifically 6 reflective listening skills that'll transform the way you connect with people. Imagine being able to read people's emotions like an open book, making them feel truly understood while steering conversations in your desired direction. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that's exactly what tactical empathy offers. Let's break down these 6 interconnected skills that make the magic happen. First up, we have mirroring. The art of repeating the last few words someone says, but with an upward inflection. When I say with an upward inflection, like that, it invites them to elaborate. It's like holding up an emotional mirror that says, "I'm listening, tell me more." For example, if someone says, "This project is really challenging," you might respond with, "Really challenging." Watch how they naturally open up. Next comes labeling, putting words to emotions you're observing. It seems like this situation is really frustrating for you. Or, it sounds like you're excited about this opportunity. By naming emotions, you're showing that you're truly paying attention to their emotional state. Pro tip: start with phrases like, "it sounds like," or "it seems like," to make your labels less confrontational. The third skill is paraphrasing, restating what you've heard in your own words, but maintaining their core message. Think of it as gift wrapping their thoughts in fresh paper while keeping the present inside intact. Here's a real-world example. When your friend says, "I've been swamped with work and barely have time to breathe," you might respond, "So you're feeling overwhelmed with your workload and struggling to find balance?" Fourth, we have summarizing, the bigger picture version of paraphrasing. Here, you're pulling together multiple points they've made, showing you've been tracking the entire conversation. It's like creating a highlight reel of their main points. This is particularly powerful in long conversations where you can say, "So far, you've mentioned 3 main concerns," and then list them out. The fifth skill is emotion validation, acknowledging that their feelings make sense given their perspective. Remember, you don't have to agree with their view to validate their emotions. "I can understand why you'd feel that way" works wonders. It's like giving someone permission to feel what they're feeling without judgment. And finally, silent listening. Yes, silence is actually a skill. It's about being comfortable with pauses and using nonverbal cues to show you're fully present. A simple nod or maintaining eye contact can speak volumes. In our fast-paced world, this might feel uncomfortable at first, but trust me, it's pure gold for building deeper connections. Here's the real power move. These skills aren't meant to be used in isolation. They're like ingredients in a master chef's kitchen. Combine them naturally, and you'll create conversation magic. Try mirroring, then validate the emotion that comes up. Summarize what you've heard, and watch as trust builds organically. Let me give you a quick real-life scenario. Imagine your friend says they're nervous about a job interview. You might mirror, "nervous about the interview," then label, "sounds like you're feeling pressured to perform well." Validate their emotion, "that's totally natural given what's at stake." And finally summarize, "so you're concerned about making the right impression and showcasing your skills effectively." The key is practice. Start with one skill, get comfortable, then gradually blend in others. Before you know it, you'll be navigating conversations with the finesse of a diplomatic expert. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to GEM for more communication insights that'll transform your relationships. Share this video with someone who could use these skills. Let's spread the power of tactical empathy together. Until next time, keep growing, keep evolving, and keep connecting meaningfully.